Hi students, now we are going to discuss about in 11th organic chemistry, remaining topic in general organic chemistry. Now we are going to discuss about different type of organic reactions. Different type of organic reactions. The organic compound undergo different type of organic reactions are there. Totally generally six type of organic reaction involved in organic compounds. The first one, substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Then addition reaction. Addition reaction. Then elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. Then oxidation and reduction. Reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction. Then rearrangement. Rearrangement reaction. Then combination of all reactions. Combination of all reactions. These organic compounds follow these six type of reactions. Organic reaction or organic compound involve the different type of organic reactions are there. The six type of reaction involve the organic compounds. First one, substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reaction, oxidation reduction, rearrangement reaction, combination of above the reactions, combination of these all reactions. What is the meaning of simply substitution reactions? Substitution. The two compounds react with each other to form of new compounds. New compounds. Then with the important new products are formed known as a substitution reactions. Substitution. The reaction in which atom or group of elements react with another atom or group of elements is replaced by one atom or group of elements known as a substitution. In substitution reaction, no new products are in the substitution of different type of reaction, new products are formed. In another one, addition reactions. Addition reactions. In addition reaction, no new products are formed. Another one, elimination reaction. In aqueous solution of or organic solution of potassium hydroxide with the elimination of a byproduct known as elimination reactions. Oxidation reduction. What is the meaning of oxidation process? Addition of oxygen known as oxidation, or removal of hydrogen known as oxidation, or loss of electron known as oxidation, or metal can be converted to metal cation known as oxidation. Another one, oxidation number increases known as oxidation process. What is meaning of reduction? Reduction. Gain of hydrogen known as a reduction process, or loss of oxygen known as a reduction process, or gain of electron known as a reduction process, or metal ion can be converted into metal known as a reduction process. Then oxidation number decreases from metal cation to metal known as a reduction. It is a reduction process. Next one, rearrangement reactions. Two or more products react with each other. Two or more reactant react with each other to form of new product known as a rearrangement reaction. The last one, combination of all reactions. Combination of these above all reactions. These are six reactions involved in all organic compounds. All organic compounds. First of all, we are going to discuss about substitution reaction. Substitution reactions. In substitution reaction, the reaction in which atom or group of atom or element or molecule directly attached with the carbon atom. The reaction in which atom or element or group of atom or molecule directly attached with the carbon atom, which is replaced by another atom or element or group of atom known as a substitution reaction. It depends upon nature of the attacking reagents. Depend upon nature of the attacking reagent. The substitution reaction classified three types. One is a nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution. Another one, electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution. Then free radical substitution. free radical substitution. Free radical substitution. Again I will say, what is the meaning of nucleophilic substitution? In reaction in which atom or element or group of atom or molecule directly attached with the carbon atom, which is replaced by another atom or group of elements or molecules known as a substitution reaction. Depend upon attacking reagents. Depend upon what? Nature of the attacking reagents. In the substitution reaction, again classified into three types. One is a nucleophilic substitution. What is the meaning of nucleophile? Electron-rich elements known as a nucleophile. Electron-rich elements known as a nucleophiles. Negative charged particles are molecule with lone pair of electrons. Negative charged particles are nucleophile, or molecule with the excess of 2 or more lone pair of electrons known as a nucleophiles. Next one, electrophile. Electron deficient species are electrophile. Vacant d orbital, vacant p orbitals of elements all are nucleophile, or positive charged species all are electrophiles. Next one, free radical. Those molecules which contain odd electron known as a free radical. So free radical substitute in the place of any other elements known as a free radical substitution. Electrophile, electron deficient species substitute in the place of any other particles known as a electrophilic substitution. Electron rich site, the molecule with the extra lone pair of electrons known as a nucleophile. The nucleophile substitute in the place of any other particles known as a nucleophilic substitution. First one, nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution process. Nucleophilic substitution. For example, A bond X, it is a substrate is a combined with the Y minus charge, Y anions. Y anions as a nucleophile. It is a nucleophile. In the nucleophile, attack on the A bond X compounds. A bond X compounds. The A bond X break. The A atom directly bonded to Y. X atom can be removed as a X minus, gives A bond Y plus X minus can be removed. This reaction, Y minus acts as a nucleophile. That nucleophile substitute in the place of X in AX molecules to form of AY new product, and X minus can be removed. For example, ethyl bromide, CH3 CH2Br. Ethyl bromide is a reactant with OH minus here. OH minus. Ethyl bromide substrate. OH minus ion as a nucleophile. OH minus nucleophile. In the nucleophile substitute in the place of bromine in ethyl bromide. OH minus is a nucleophile. The OH minus substitute in the place of bromine in ethyl bromide to form CH3 CH2OH plus Br minus removed. So nucleophile substitute in the place of bromine in ethyl bromide to form of ethyl alcohol and bromine. In the reaction known as nucleophilic substitution reaction, OH minus ion acts as a nucleophile. OH minus ion nucleophile are attacking reagent or incoming reagent. Depend upon incoming reagent, Br minus as a relieving group. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction example. Another one, electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution reaction. What is the meaning of electrophile? Electron deficient species is electrophile. The electron deficient species of Y plus ions can combine with the A bond X. So A bond X is a substrate molecule. A bond X is a substrate. Y plus is a electrophile. Y plus is a electrophile. In the electrophile is a electron deficient species. That's why A bond X, the bond break. Both lone pair of electron attack on the Y plus ions. X removed as a X plus. gives A bond Y plus X plus can be removed. Y is a electrophile. That electrophile substitute in the place of X to form of AX and X plus is removed. X plus is removed. For example, in aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, secondary amine CH3 N bond CH3 bond H. It is a secondary amine. The secondary amine react with nitrous acid HNO2 nitrous acid. Nitrous acid dissociate HNO2 dissociate to form of NO plus ion by using a sulfuric acid or any other reagent. Nitrous acid HNO2 dissociate to form of NO plus ion. The NO plus is a electrophile because of electron deficient piece of positive charge on the molecule of NO. So NO is a electrophile. That electrophile substitute in the place of hydrogen to form of CH3 bond N bond CH3 bond N double bond O plus H plus can be removed. The hydrogen can be removed as a H plus ends. H plus can be removed. What is the name of this reaction? N, N dimethyl N, or N nitroso N nitroso N nitroso N, N dimethyl amine N, N dimethyl amine N, N dimethyl amine. It is a yellow oil insoluble in water, insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water. It is aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction because of the compounds are aliphatic compounds. So aliphatic compound contain hydrogen replaced by NO plus ion. In this reaction, NO plus ion as a electrophile. In this reaction, OH minus ion as a nucleophile. The nucleophile substitute in the place of bromine to form of ethyl alcohol. Here, NO plus is a electrophile. That electrophile substitute in the place of hydrogen to form of N nitroso N, N dimethyl amine yellow oil insoluble in water. Yellow oil insoluble in water. It is an example of aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction. In the aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in secondary amine. Secondary amine containing nitrogen is replaced by NO plus ion. NO plus ion is electrophile. That electrophile substitute in the place of hydrogen to form of N nitroso N, N dimethyl amine yellow oil insoluble in water. It is an example of in the what? Aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction. The next one, aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic electrophilic substitution. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. In aromatic ring, what is the example of aromatic ring? Benzene is an aromatic ring. The aromatic ring reacts with concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives NO2 plus ions. Concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus concentrated nitric acid HNO3 is a nitrating mixture. Concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acids are nitrating mixture. In the nitrating mixture, it gives the NO2 plus ion plus H2O plus in the HSO4 minus ions are removed. NO2 plus ion. Concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 dissociate to form of HSO4 minus ion. HSO4 plus SO3 H plus SO3 H plus ions. Another one, nitrous acid HNO2 dissociate to form of NO plus ion. HNO2 dissociate NO plus. In then Cl2 in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3 dissociate to form of Cl plus ion. So Cl2 dissociate to form of Cl plus, HNO2 dissociate to form of NO plus, H2SO4 dissociate to form of HSO3 plus, H2SO4 and nitric acid mixer dissociate or combine to form of NO2 plus ion. These compounds all are electron deficient species. That's why it is indicated by positive charge. NO2 plus, otherwise called nitronium ion. Nitronium ion. HSO3 plus or SO3H plus or sulfonium ion. NO plus is a nitrosonium ion. Cl plus is chloronium ion. It's a chloronium ion, nitronium ion, sulfonium ion, nitronium ion, nitrosonium ion. Chloronium ion, nitrosonium ion, sulfonium ion, nitronium ion, all are electrophile. That electrophile substitute in the place of hydrogen because of the benzene ring is a hexagonal nature. Totally how many corners are there in benzene ring? 6 corners are there. Each corner which occupy the one carbon atom, totally 6 carbon atoms are there. Each carbon directly bonded to one hydrogen. So what is the formula of benzene? C6H6. So benzene is a hexagonal nature. Each corner directly attached with one hydrogen. Each corner directly linked with one carbon. Totally, the formula of benzene is C6H6. So, totally how many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogen. One hydrogen replaced by NO2. One hydrogen replaced by NO2 when is treated with concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. That hydrogen replaced by NO2 plus ion to form of nitrobenzene, NO2. Suppose HSO3 minus plus ion substitute in the place of hydrogen means to form of benzene sulfonium ion. NO plus ion substitute in the place of hydrogen means to form of then benzene nitrosonium ion or nitrosobenzene. Cl plus substitute in the place of hydrogen in benzene means to form of chloropenzene. So formation of chloropenzene from the chlorine, formation of nitrosobenzene from the nitrous acid, formation of benzene sulfonic acid from the sulfuric acid, formation of nitrobenzene from the nitrate mixer react with benzene means to form of nitrobenzene. These all are is the example of electrophilic substitution. The electrophilic substitution takes place in aromatic ring known as aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Here, aliphatic compound containing hydrogens replaced by NO plus ions. See, NO plus is electrophile. So, aliphatic compound containing hydrogen replaced by NO plus to form of N-nitroso, N, N dimethylamine. It is a yellow oil insoluble in water. It is an example of aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Here, ethyl bromide can be converted to ethyl alcohol. Is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, in substitution reaction, one or more new products are formed with the elimination of a byproduct. One of the byproducts are eliminated. Byproducts are eliminated, known as a substitution reaction. Another one, free radical substitution. Free radical substitution reaction. What is the meaning of free radical? The molecule which contain odd electrons. The molecule which contain odd electron known as a free radical. Odd electron known as free radical. Free radical. Free radical. Radical substitution. Free radical substitution. For example, A bond X can be combined with Y radical. Then Y atom which contain only one unpaired electrons. Y radical. To give A bond Y plus X radical removed. X radical can be removed. For example, methane CH4 react with Cl2 in presence of H nu. H is a Planck constant, mu is a frequency of radiation. H value which is equal to 6.626 in 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter square per second. In the mu is a frequency of radiation. One hydrogen can combine with chlorine to form of HCl can be removed. HCl removed. Remaining 3 hydrogens are there. So CH3Cl. Methane can be react with chlorine in presence of H nu to form of methyl chloride plus hydrochloric acid. Is an example of free radical substitution reactions. In the free radical substitution, so follow the 3-step process. First one, initiation. Three-step process. First one, initiation. In initiation process, in the Cl2 dissociate in presence of H nu to form of Cl radical. Two Cl radicals are formed. Two Cl radical. Next one, propagation. Propagation. In propagation, in the methane CH4 react with one of the radical. Two radicals are there. One radical can combine with methane to form methyl radical CH3 dot plus HCl. Methyl radical plus HCl. And last one, termination. Termination process. Termination. The methyl radical CH3 radical can combine with another one chlorine radical Cl radical to give CH3Cl. CH3Cl. So, in the free radical substitution reaction follow the three-step process. One is the initiation, propagation, termination. In initiation process, Cl2 dissociate to form of a Cl dot. That means called chlorine radical. Chlorine free radical. Two chlorine free radicals are formed. Among the two chlorine free radicals, one chlorine free radical can combine with methane to form of methyl radical and hydrochloric acids. These are propagation process. Propagation. In termination, last step process, methyl radical can combine with another one chlorine radical to form of a methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. In overall reaction, methyl radicals are cancelled. One chlorine radicals are cancelled. Another chlorine radicals are cancelled. In the overall reactions are methane CH4 can be combined with Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. These reactions are formed. In these reactions are example of free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution. It is a free radical substitution. It is a nucleophilic substitution. It is a electrophilic substitution process. Nucleophilic electrophilic substitution process. In nucleophilic substitution, one nucleophile substitute in the place of bromine in ethyl bromide to form of ethyl alcohol. Another one is electrophilic substitution. Electron deficient species of NO plus ion or NO2 plus ion or HSO3 plus ion or NO plus ion or Cl plus ion. Substitute in the place of hydrogen in aromatic ring means to form of aromatic electrophilic substitution product. Or in the NO2 plus ion can be replaced by H from the aliphatic compound means to form of aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aliphatic electrophilic substitution reactions. In aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction to form of N-nitroso N, N dimethylamine. N-nitroso N, N dimethylamine. It is a yellow oil insoluble in water. Yellow oil insoluble in water. The next one, free radical substitution reactions. So free radical of Cl dot, the radical, those compound or element or atom which contain one unpaired electrons known as a free radical. So in the free radical, substitute in the place of hydrogen in methane. Free radical, substitute in the place of hydrogen in methane to form of methyl chloride and hydrochloric acids is the example of free radical substitution reactions. Again, methyl chloride can be combined with another chlorine to form of methylene chloride. Methylene chloride further react with the chlorine to form of chloroform. Chloroform further react with the chlorine to form of carbon tetrachloride. So, in the methyl chloride CH3Cl can be converted into CH2Cl2. Again, CH2Cl2 converted into CHCl3. Again, CHCl3 converted into CCl4 is an example of free radical substitution. In a Cl dot is a free radical substitute in the place of hydrogen. Okay. The next one, in the addition process. Addition. In the addition reaction, all takes place in unsaturated compound with one or more multiple bonds. Two reactant species react with each other to produce one reactant or one product known as addition reaction. Like substitution reaction, Addition reaction also follow the free radical addition, electrophilic addition, then nucleophilic addition process are there. So addition process, addition reactions. The reaction in which the compound contain unsaturated bond with multiple bond, unsaturated group with multiple bond follow the addition reactions. The compound contain carbon-carbon double or carbon-carbon triple bond, so involved the addition process. In addition reaction, two species react with each other to produce the one product. Like substitution, addition reaction also is classified in three types. It depends upon nature of the attacking reagents. It is a nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition, then free radical addition. Nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition, free radical addition. In addition process, alkene can be converted to alkane. Addition reaction takes place in carbon-carbon double bond means sp2 hybridization can be changes into sp3 hybridization. Or in the addition process it takes place in alkyne, carbon-carbon triple bond means sp hybridization can be changes into sp2 hybridization. sp hybridization can be converted into or changes into sp2 hybridization. sp2, for example, ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, ethene. The ethene react with hydrogen iodide HI to give in the hydrogen iodide dissociate H plus and I minus. I minus is a nucleophile. In the H plus is added to one carbon, I minus added to another carbon. Simultaneously, carbon-carbon or bibond break because of double bonds are there, or bibond or sigma bond, bibond break to form CH3 and then CH2I, ethyl iodide. Ethene can be converted to ethyl iodide. The carbon-carbon double bond so exists as a sp2 hybridization. Here carbon-carbon single bond so exists as a sp3 hybridization. sp2 hybridization can be changes into sp3 hybridization. It is an example of one of the addition process. Or CH2 double bond CH2 is a react with water molecule H2O in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. The water molecule dissociate to form of H plus and OH minus ion. H plus and OH minus ions. In the OH minus ion as a nucleophile. In the nucleophile substitute in the place of CH2, H plus substitute in the place of CH2 to form CH3, CH2, OH. Ethyl alcohol. It is an example of simple example of addition reaction. So H plus is added to one CH2, OH minus ion added to another CH2 to form of H2 and H2SO4 to form of ethyl alcohol CH3, CH2OH is a simple example of addition reactions. The third type of addition depend upon nature of the attacking reagents. This addition reaction also follow the three type of reaction similar to substitution reaction. One is a nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition, nucleophilic addition, then electrophilic addition, free radical addition. Nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition, free radical addition. For a simple representation, A double bond X because of all addition reactions are takes place in double bond, carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-hydrogen double bond anyway. A double bond X can be combined with Y bond W. Y bond W. So nucleophilic addition, it is a substrate, it is a nucleophile. Nucleophile means electron rich species. Nucleophile means electron rich species. In the electron rich site is attack on the carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond or bibond or single bonds are there. Bibond, weak bond, single bond, strong bond, sigma bond, strong bond. The sigma and the bibond break, both the electron move towards the A side. So give A minus because of the bibond containing two electron, both the electron move towards the A side. See A become a negative charge. Bond X, then bond Y. Remaining W plus charged particles are there. The W plus charged particles can be combined with A minus charged particles to form A bond W bond X bond Y. It is a new product. The product nucleophilic addition product. Nucleophilic addition product. For example, acetaldehyde CH3CHO react with hydrogen cyanide HCN to give in the lactic acid CH3CHOH COOH. It is the example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. What is the formula for acetaldehyde? CH3 bond C double bond O bond H. It is acetaldehyde. In the hydrogen cyanide dissociated form of H plus Cn minus ion. Cn minus ion as a nucleophile. In the nucleophile attack on electron deficient species of carbonyl carbon atom. Carbon oxygen bond break. Move towards the oxygen side to give CH3 bond C O minus bond H bond Cn. In the O minus it becomes anion. In the anion protonated from water, H2O can combine with the anion to give CHOH bond in then Cn. What is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. The acetaldehyde cyanohydrine followed by acid hydrolysis. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine followed by acid hydrolysis to give lactic acid CH3 CHOH COH is a lactic acid. So the nucleophile of Cn minus ion ordered to electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom. Electron deficient because of Cn minus is a electron rich site. The electron rich site of Cn minus attack on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom to form of alkoxide anion. The anion again protonated from water molecule to form of acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine, acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. The acetaldehyde cyanohydrine followed by acid hydrolysis to give lactic acid. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine followed by acid hydrolysis to give lactic acid. So, in the nucleophile substitute in the place of or added in the place of carbon oxygen double bond known as nucleophilic addition. The process known as a nucleophilic addition process. Another one, electrophilic addition. Electrophilic addition process. Electrophilic addition. What is the electrophile? Electron deficient species electrophile. The electron deficient species of electrophile attack on the electron rich site. For simple representation, A double bond X can be combined with Y bond W. It is a electron rich site. Nucleophile is a electron rich site. Here, in the one Y double bond W is a electron deficient species. That's why A bond X bond or bi bond break. Both the electron attack on the Y. Then Y bond W, the bond break. Both the electron move towards the W side to give A positive charge bond X by Y bond Y plus in the W minus can be removed. In the W minus ion can combine with A plus ion to form of new product A bond W X bond Y. The product known as the product electrophilic addition product. Electrophilic addition product. For example, carbon-carbon double bond of ethene CH2 double bond CH2 ethene plus bromine Br bond Br bromine. Here bromine molecule is a electron deficient species of electrophile. Electron deficient species of electrophile. That's why carbon-carbon bi bond break. Both lone pair of electron attack on the bromine atom. Then bromine-bromine bond break. Both the electron move towards the bromine side to give CH2 2 plus ion on CH2 bond Br. Then Br negative charged particles are there. The Br minus. The Br minus can be combined with the carbon plus to give CH2 single bond CH2 bond in the Br bond then Br. Ethylene dibromide. 1, 2. Ethylene. It is a ethylene dibromide. Ethylene dibromide. So formation of ethylene dibromide from the ethene react with bromine known as electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. In substitution reaction, new products are formed. In addition reaction, no new products are formed. In substitution reaction, there is no change of hybridization. In addition reaction, in alkene, sp2 can be changes into sp3. Alkyne, sp can be changes into sp2. Next one, free radical addition. Free radical addition process. Free radical addition reaction. Free radical. A double bond X can be combined with Y bond W in presence of H nu. In the Y bond W bond break, undergo the homolytic cleavage to form of Y radical, W radical. Simultaneously, A bond X bond also break to form A radical bond X radical. A radical, X radical. The A radical can be combined with the Y radical, X radical can be combined with the W radical, or A radical can be combined with the W radical, or X radical can be combined with the Y radical to form of A bond W, X bond Y. It is a simple product, free radical addition product. For example, ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, ethene is a react with hydrogen bromide HBr in presence of benzoyl peroxide C6 H5 CO twice O2. Benzoyl peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide, ferrous acid, marshal acid, peroxo monophosphoric acid, peroxo diphosphoric acid, pernitrous acid, pernitric acid. All compounds contain peroxide linkage. Oxygen bond. This linkage is known as a peroxide linkage. Peroxide linkage also present in benzoyl peroxide, acetic peroxide, formic peroxide, trifluoroperoxylic acid. The compounds all are used. These compounds is used to dissociate hydrogen bromide to form of hydrogen then bromine radical. Hydrogen radical, bromine radical. Simultaneously, carbon-carbon bibond break because of in ethene, two bonds are there. One is a sigma bond and one is a bibond. Sigma bond strong bond, bibond weak bond. That's why in presence of peroxide, benzoyl peroxide, the carbon-carbon bibond break. Both the electron move towards either sides. Both the electrons. That bond contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. One electron move towards the one carbon atom. Another electron move towards the another carbon atom. That CH2 radical can be combined with the hydrogen to form a CH3. Then Br radical can be combined with the CH2 to give CH3, CH2, Br. CH3, CH2, Br. The process is the example of free radical addition process. In addition reaction, no new products are formed. In addition reaction, no then sub-products are formed, known as addition reaction. So addition reaction depend upon attacking reagent is classified into 3 types. One is a free radical addition, electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition. In addition reaction, the reaction in which the compound which contain unsaturated group with multiple bond of carbon-carbon double or carbon-carbon triple bond undergo the addition reactions. 2 reactant species can be combined to form of one single product. Like a substitution reaction, addition reaction also classified into 3 types. One is a nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition, then free radical addition. In then sp2 can be converted to sp3 hybridization in alkene compounds. sp hybridization can be converted into sp2 means alkyne compounds. So depend upon attacking reagent, it is classified into nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition, then free radical addition. In nucleophilic addition, what? Acetaldehyde can be converted to in the acetaldehyde cyanoacetylene further hydrolyzed to form lactic acid. In electrophilic addition, ethene react with bromine to form of 1,2 dibromoethane. 1,2 dibromoethane. In free radical addition, ethene can be converted into ethyl bromide by treated with hydrogen bromide in presence of benzyl peroxide. Benzyl peroxide. In this reaction, benzyl peroxide is used as a free radical initiator. Free radical initiator. Okay, students. Today topic over. The next topic we will meet the next video. Thank you.